Yo, what's up, my people? Oh, got so many things happening. Holding so many gadgets. Holding 3 phones, 2 cameras, 1 microphone. So, guys, sorry, I'm just playing my friend's music. He recorded a couple of music, so he sent a couple of them for me to few them. So I'm walking in the open field. There's this dog that's walking and following me. I don't know what. You can see there's a guy at my back. He's having a dog. The dog has been following me for for a couple of minutes now. So yeah. So guys, this is the DJI Action 6. I'm doing a test. I wanna see how it feels like. I've got so yeah, I gifted this camera to myself because I felt like I've been working hard so lately. Not actually working hard by creating content. Like, I really wanted to have this camera, so I've been saving for a couple of months now just to have this specific camera, the DJI Action 6. And I'm doing a test out here. I've done some tests at home, but indoors. But I've not done any tests outdoor yet. So yeah, just doing an outdoor test, and I want to see how it feels like. Yes, guys, so I want to pair the DJI mic mini to it. So I got them as a package. I got the DJI mic mini, and I got the DJI Action 6. So you can see this is the DJI Action mini. So because I really got this DJI Action because when I went to Turkey, the vlogs, I made a couple of vlogs there, and the audio, you know, I was at the beach. So you know, when you're at the beach, the noise, not like the noise, the wind, you know, at the beach there's so much wind, so the wind was so much. So when I was editing the videos, the voice, like I couldn't post about 50% of the videos because the noise from the wind and so on, it was just too much. No matter how I tried to filter the wind in post-production, but it was just too much in such a way that after I posted a couple of videos, the ones that was left for me to post, I didn't post them because the audio quality was not that good. So I'd already been saving to get the DJI Action because I knew the DJI Action series, all of them, 5 and 6, they work with the mic. So I felt okay, this is good. So I got the DJI Action mini, which is a very budget, and it's not that expensive. It's just a affordable mic. So yeah, so I just want to do a quick test, and yeah, so I'm not gonna test it in this video because I'm gonna test it some other time, but I tested it already and it works good, but I'm not gonna use it for this video because I'm here today just to exercise in the park. So I just wanted to record a video with the Action 6 and see how it feels like. So one thing I like about the Action 6 is that you know, it has the color tones, and so you could always, rather than editing the video in post-production, you could use the tones directly, the filters, and I've not really explored it, but like, the camera is a wonderful piece of machine by DJI, and I really applaud them for this. The camera has got a whole lot of features, like the features are enormous. They are just too much, and so I'm using the built-in filter. Sorry, I keep getting confused. There's so much distraction here, a lot of kids, and you can see over there, that's a cricket. They play cricket here on Saturdays. I don't know, Saturdays and Sundays, it just depends. But here, this is what it feels like. I remember when I forgot my first action camera. I'll not say my first, my second, which was a GoPro 10. My first action camera, I got it when I was still in Cameroon. The Van Top Moments for You, that was my first action camera, and the videos were really not that bad. I put a lot of effort, but still, yeah. So when I had the GoPro 10, I used to come here and shoot videos. Like, I've got a whole lot of videos, about 10 videos I've shot in this park, and I just always like to come here to test when I get a new gadget. I just like to come here and test it, and yeah. So this is the audio. This is the built-in microphone for the DJI Action 6, and it's really good. I'm not even using the mic, the DJI mic mini, so it's really good. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this cricket ground. You really can't see from here, it's really further ahead, but you can see the rope here draws the boundary of like the cricket field. Like, it has really been sunny this past month. This July has been like heat wave after heat wave. You can see this grass on a normal, like, it's always green, but you can see the grass, it is completely dried off. You can see, if you set a fire here, it's gonna burn the whole of this field. That's why the council always says they don't want to see people doing barbecues in the park, though there are some people sitting over there doing barbecue, but I believe it's in a controlled environment. So, bro, I'm loving this DJI Action 6, and so basically I wanted to get this camera. Having a phone call. I'm gonna continue this later. Hello folks. Hello guys. This is my first video on the DJI Action 6. So I'm watching a video of Star Africa. So yeah, so I want to see how the camera looks like. I've got a GoPro, but you know, I'm so fascinated with cameras, so I had to get the DJI Action 6. And I didn't just get it at the normal price, I got it far way more cheaper. Not the used, brand new. So whoa. I'm so thirsty, bro. Let's see. What's happening? Have some water. I don't really know how it looks like, but everything looks so good. Let's have some water. The sun is buzzing out there. See? Some natural honey. It's really, really good for the health. Kind of lost.
Let's see.
You can be commenting. You can be the commentator.
Not a little bit bad, a little bit bad.
You're going to be the cameraman today, right? You show people and talk about Legoland.
No, but I don't know about Legoland.
Show them. Don't tell them. And show them.
So you think you're fat? No. You do. You say fat. You think
Do
you're
something,
fat.
Aki.
Hmm?
Do something.
I'm not calling you fat. Oh my god, look how fat.
No, let me show them who you are. This is Legoland, Windsor. So we are just at the entrance here. Our bags have been checked. I finished it, yeah.